The key to getting great fruit and vegetables is to keep the plants well fed and watered. Healthy plants will not only give you a better crop, they will also be less susceptible to disease and attacks from insects. Strawberries can be ripe from the end of May onwards throughout the summer. The fruit will be at its best when it's a rich red colour, but don't leave them too long as they will soon rot and will also be a target for wasps and other insects. Picking the fruit as soon as it's ready will also help the plant to develop new fruit, so you could be picking tasty strawberries throughout the summer. Strawberries and other soft fruit will be attractive to birds, so cover them with netting to ensure you get all the fruit to eat. Your early new potatoes will be ready to harvest from late June, and main crop varieties from August through to October, depending when they were planted. Remember to keep the plants earthed up to avoid getting green potatoes and to help maximise your crop. Once again, keep the plants well watered. For early varieties, wait until the plants have flowered, then carefully scrape some of the soil away and check how big the potatoes are. If they are still small, keep watering and check again in another week. Main crop potatoes are ready to harvest when the leaves start to turn yellow. Tomatoes are ready to pick from July through to October, depending on the variety and whether they've been grown in a greenhouse. For non-bush varieties, continue pinching out the shoots that grow between the stem and the main branches, which will help to give you a bigger crop. Make sure the plants are properly supported by canes, as they will start to become heavy, especially once the fruit begins to form. Hanging plants and bush varieties will not require any support. The plant should be fed regularly, every 10 to 14 days with a liquid feed, and don't allow the soil to dry out. As with all fruit, pick the tomatoes as soon as they're ripe to help the plant focus its energies on developing new fruit. If you're left with any green fruit at the end of the season, don't throw them away. Put them in a bag with a banana, which will help to ripen the fruit.